Hi everyone, hope you are all doing great. Welcome to Uttara Home Kitchen. Today I am going to make our favorite sweet Kalakand. I know making of Kalakand is very time consuming and that's why I have simplified the process. It is very easy to prepare and it will take very less time and the result is outstanding. So prepare this Kalakand at home and thank me later. Also, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So now let's start the preparation. So here I took 200 grams paneer. Either you have to grate or crush the paneer. You can do whatever you want, but grating the paneer is the best. Keep it aside. Now I took milk half liter. You have to boil the milk. After boiling the milk, cook for 5 minutes on high flame or medium flame. Be very careful at this time. Then after 5 minutes, add milk powder to 1/2 tablespoon little by little while continuously stirring it. There should not be any lumps. Adding milk powder is optional, but if you add milk powder, then the taste will be very good. And if you are taking full fat milk, then don't need to add any milk powder. Then cook it for 5 minutes on medium flame. After 5 minutes, add the grated or crushed paneer. Then cook for 15 to 20 minutes on medium flame. It might take more or less time. You can see the paneer has released water but don't need to worry about it. After some time it will absorb by the paneer. And I am cooking the paneer with milk because it will soften the paneer. And if you want, you can smash the paneer at this moment. And after 15 to 20 minutes, add condensed milk as per your taste or as your requirement. You can also add sugar instead of condensed milk, and also the color might get changed. Here I have added 100 grams to 120 grams of condensed milk. After 10 to 15 minutes, add cardamom powder 1/4 teaspoon. Add half teaspoon of ghee. And then add a pinch of salt. It will enhance the taste. Adding salt is optional, but if you add salt, the taste will be very good. Now cook until the consistency is like this. The paneer will absorb the milk. It will be very moist and little bit of juicy. Also the paneer will be very softy, and at this moment turn off the flame, and after turning off the flame, stir it for few minutes. Now take a tray or anything where you will set the kalakand and grease it with butter or ghee. Do not use oil, and then pour the kalakand mixture into the tray. Now give it a shape as your requirement. You can make thin or thick. Here I am not making so thin or so thick. You can add your favorite dry fruits on the top. This is optional. And then leave it to cool down completely. It should be in room temperature. Then keep it in fridge to set it down for 2-3 hours. After 2-3 hours, it has set down completely, and then cut it as you want and enjoy the kalakand. This is so softy, so moist and tastes so fantastic. Also, it's very easy to prepare and less time consuming. It's looking very nice as we get in the market. So try this at home and let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, comment down your favorite food. I will try to make as simple as I can. See you in my next videos. Bye bye.